Welcome to OASES, the all-in-one software for airworthiness maintenance control. Once you've logged into the platform, you'll be presented with a simple and easily navigable user interface. The system is organised like a folder structure by module, with related systems collected together. Select one to open it and see what's inside. In some cases, there are sub-modules containing other functionality. As you get more accustomed to OASES and learn what options you'll need more often, you can enter the relevant option code or search in the toolbar to get around much faster. Whether you'll be using some or all of the OASES platform, it's important to know what the whole system can do, so after this short demo, you'll know what tools you and your team will need. Dealing with reliability issues, repetitive defects and trends is essential in a compliant maintenance program. The continuing airworthiness module lets you respond to work orders in real time, providing the data you need across airworthiness directives, service bulletins, engineering orders, safety integrity levels, and aircraft operations tests, while you log actions and maintain a robust audit trail. Planning integrates forecast maintenance, modification, and defect limitation tasks into works orders, automatically generating documentation and material preloads. All relevant airworthiness directives and service bulletins are referenced to ensure the most up-to-date standards are observed. Also, the reporting tools enable you to track every maintenance task by labour time, personnel, trade, multi-stage thresholds, and intervals. The production module provides real-time task status tools for generating reports on KPIs, such as budget versus actual labour expended, defects raised, and materials issued or returned. You can plan resources from hangar level down to individual tasks. All work cards may be barcoded, which makes it easy to capture work in progress data. As the start and finish times, employee number and materials used are recorded, it enables fast and efficient analysis of the task's progress. The line maintenance module enables you to integrate data from many sources to improve short-term maintenance planning and ensure defects are rectified. It integrates planning and material control functions to intelligently and automatically reserve stock or send a picking notification to stores. You can see all short-term scheduled activities, component removals, and defect rectifications forecast on a single screen, and automatically create and send LMC worksheets to the relevant workstation. You can also view defect history to identify problems faster. The Material Management module helps you improve the cost-effectiveness of your stock control and ensure availability when required. No waiting for parts to arrive, no delayed schedules, no loss of income. You can even check stock and issue parts on the move with our mobile app. Automatically log parts in and out, create requests for quotes, send orders, and pass through to accounts for payment. For deep coordination, analysis, and reporting across all financial aspects of the business, check out the Commercial Management module. You can accurately track and invoice labour and materials for third-party work, simplify processes, and analyse financials in real time to make operational changes as needed. Commercial Management is also used for the admin process around invoicing, cross-charging, forecasting, and reporting. Shipping ensures demonstrable customs compliance through robust data audit trails, from the supplier or manufacturer right through to any location within your organisation. User-friendly dashboard views provide you real-time insights wherever material or equipment crosses a customs border. You can specify the customs territory against each address, which ensures the relevant customs information is captured. OASES, the all-in-one software for airworthiness maintenance control.